Good day, guys. Bing here. Today we are going to try this one. Construction of timber. I think it's probably this, talking about this. Yes. And then here, I'm not sure which. Probably this one. This is the main. Looks like similar to this. So okay, so this yeah, of course we can use model in place, but sometimes it can be tricky because we need to when we need to adjust the size, or it can be tricky. So it's actually quite easy to create a family looks like this. So we can also use just like a structure column. We can use a two level based family so we can change the top and the bottom. So and also we can make it a parametric, so we can adjust the size on the base, and also at the top, and also the middle, and maybe we can add a angular parameter so we can adjust this angle as well. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. Okay, so first let's create a new family. So let's find that, so it's on the generic model, two level based. Okay, so and also I think we can just model, so you can see there are two members here, so on each grid. I think we can just model one. So yeah, if we need one, so we can place one. If we need to, just copy it. Okay, so now this is it. So first, in this floor plan, so let's add some reference plans. So RP reference plan, so and then dimension di equal and equal. Okay, so maybe I'll change the scale. So yep, that's better. And also di again, dimension, so can add some parameter. So now let's call this maybe maybe the width. Okay, so let's just call it a W type parameter, and this will be the depth. Okay, so D type. Okay, so now the next step is let me think. So let's go to front view. So now you can see there's a base level and top level, and then so actually we should probably go to the left. So depending on how you're gonna model this one, so if you consider, so let me just go to this image. If you consider this this is the front, so I'll just do a screenshot. If you consider this is the front, we should probably do it on the side, so either left or right. So so this will be right. So this is the front. If yeah, let's just do it this way. So maybe we should go to the right side. Okay, right side. Okay, so imagine these columns it will look like this. So go here and then go down here. So we will need a reference plane in the middle, and do a dimension from top level to the bottom level, and then click on the equal. So now this will always stay in the middle. And then we will need a reference plane. So this will be the center of the, so imagine you cut this family or this column at this level. So this will be the center of that profile. So this, if this is center, we will need another two reference plane, and do a dimension equal, and then we will need another dimension di. So this will be the hang on, what's this one? So this is right. If I go to floor plan, right is this side, so this will be the depth Okay, so this will be the depths. So let's go to right again. So this will be another depth. So let's call it D2. Okay, so and let me think. What else? Yeah, I think. Okay, so now let's just go back to floor plan. So I'll just roughly, because currently we did this wall. W is quite big and depth is quite small. So maybe we should just roughly change them. So at least it looks like this one. Okay, so I guess the depths need to be bigger. So maybe I'll just use a 300, for example. Maybe 500 or maybe 450. Oops, sorry. 450, and then D2 will be maybe 900, and for width maybe 150, maybe 200. Okay, so now let's apply. Yeah, that's better. So now if I go to right, okay, so maybe we should increase this level, because so from this image you can there's multi-level, so this is not on it's more than 4 meter, right? So let's select this level, click on this level, click on this, maybe type in don't know, 16 meter. Okay, so now you can see this the middle level become 8 meter instead of 2 meter, right? So now what we need to do is we need to have maybe hang on, let me just change the scale so it's yeah, better. And also we need to, so maybe let's select this reference plane. So sometimes you draw this reference plane quite short, right? So although the actual 3D extent of these reference planes are infinite, but it's easier if we just right click and use maximize 3D extents. Okay, so now, okay, so this, what we need to do is, so see still this one's center of the the middle profile. Let's just move it to the left a little bit more, so separate them. So right, so now hang on, this one's not maximized because it's pinned, so you can just unpin this and then just right click into maximize. Oh, still it's because currently they are 2D instead of 3D. So let's just try to, I'll see if reset to see. Yeah, that's all good. So now we can just pin it back. Okay, so this is the center of the base and the top profile. This is the center of the middle profile. So now what we need to do is we need to have a angular parameter, and then we can control the offset of this profile, this reference plane from this reference plane. So let's add a dimension. So from this, which is the center front back. So let's have a look. So this is the center front back. So this add a dimension di from here to here, and then I'll just put it here. So maybe I'll just drag those down as well, and then name it. Sorry, not name it. Create a parameter. So I'll just call it offset. Okay. So and type is fine. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to add an angular parameter. So go to family types, go create a new parameter, and let's call it, and I'll just call it A. Okay, so and then change this data type to angle, and type is okay. And then so we I will probably just give it an angle for now, so maybe 10 degrees. Okay, so apply and okay. So now I'll just do a screenshot of this part. So eventually this family, so this one, it will look like this. So if so that's the base, right? So and go up all the way to this point, and then go up to there. So where it's up there. And then same here, go up to here, and then go up, finish at the top. So we need to calculate, what we need to calculate is from here. So from this point up to here. So and then if I now let me just delete this line. So we just need to calculate this one. So this is the length of this. Okay, so which is the offset. And then if I connect this line down to here, and this is a right angle parameter. So and then this will be the angle. Okay, so very simple trigonometry. Tangent A equals offset divided by this. Okay, so this is half of the overall height, right? So I'll call it maybe overall height OH divided by 2. So this will be the formula, and then from this formula we can get OFS equals, so tangent A times overall height divided by 2. So this, okay, so so this is it, and then we can just let's do it. So now we need to find this. Currently there's no half overall height, right? So but we can't really create a parameter. We can only get a reporting parameter because these two levels we can't control them. So it's decided by the when we place this family in a project, so it's decided by the level we place this family on. So we needed to dimension DI and dimension these two levels, and select this dimension and create. So now you can see we can't really change it. Sorry, my mouse is okay. So we can't really change anything. So because it has to be a reporting parameter. Okay, so now I'll just call it overall height OH, and then click OK. So now this is it. Then we just need to go to family types. So we have this formula here. So tangent A times overall height divided by 2. So just go here, offset equals TAN bracket A times overall height divided by 2. So this should give us the distance we need. Okay, so instance parameter. Okay, so that's fine because we're using overall height, which is instance parameter, I think. Okay, so which means we need to change this offset to an instance parameter as well. So now click apply, and that's it. So the next step is we can just create an extrusion. So okay, so and let me just set world plan. I'm going to use the center left and right. Yeah, so and okay, so we can just draw directly. So let's start from here. So that's a base, right? So and then here go up to the top. Oh, sorry, wrong. Just drag this a little bit. It's a little bit hard. Maybe just drag it to here and then back to here. Okay, so and go down to here and go down to here. Okay, so now we have everything, and then I'm going to just just go to annotation category and then check this automatic sketch dimensions. So this will tell us so there are some temporary dimension 0 there. So the best way of doing a proper parametric family is to get rid of all of them. So let's use align. So align. So for this one, so it's quite easy. Just align this. Pick this reference plane first, and then pick the endpoint. So again. And sometimes you can see, I'll show you. So sometimes when you pick a reference plane, and then it looks like you're finding that point, but highlight the dimension, so it won't work. So you need to tab until, so you see that the dimension is not highlighted, so only the point is highlighted. Okay, so in the click on point, and that's all. So all good. So and then use the level, lock this, all good, and this. So use this reference plan. Oh, why it's 1? Interesting. Anyway, so let's try to, so see this happens again. So see, highlight the dimension. So let's tab until it's only the point. Okay, so let's do it again. Tab, click, lock, and then this one. So so again, so sorry, what's going on? Reference plan, pick this. Still see the dimensions. When the dimensions highlighted, it won't work. So let's pick this reference plan, tab, and click. So still not right. So click, tab. Looks like we have some issue here. This one should be 0, but I'll just leave it for now. So let's just finish the rest. Okay, all good. This one, level, all good. This lock, this lock. So it looks like we have some issue here. Let's what do we do? Maybe TL. Let's check. Looks fine. See, that's the issue. So it's when we create, when we draw this, it's not being placed onto the right spot, right? So let's just try to select these two. Let me just select these two sketch line again. Drag this back to here. I think this one. Okay, so all good. It's 0. So now let's do it again. And maybe just TL before we do that. So AL, pick this reference plan, lock. Oh, good. So now, so there's no zeros. So which means it's completely constrained onto these reference plans. So now we can just finish it and go to. So now we still need to go to the maybe floor plan. To constrain them onto these 2 reference plans. Okay, so select this. So see this, drag this onto this reference plan, lock it, drag it onto this reference plan, lock it. So now let's have a look in 3D view. So now we have this family. Okay, so now we can adjust the size, right? So if for example this one, this one's too big, so if I type it, yeah, that's better. So yeah, maybe we still need to adjust. So you can always adjust these maybe 750 these dimensions even after you placed into your project. And also that's the angle, so you can adjust the angle, for example 12 degree, 9 degree. So you can say it will adjust this angle. Okay, so width, so same, right? All good. So now let's have a test. So we can just go to and also before we load this, so we can also change the category. Currently is a generic model. So in this, if you're going to place it as a structural, I think this should be a structure column, or you can go change this to a column, structure column. So this will change the family a little bit. I mean, like how it works in the project. So if let's just create a project. If it's a generic model, you can only place it like manually, individually, like you place it, copy it, or array it. But if you let me load this one into a project. If you make it as a structure column, you have option to you can see you can place them onto at grids. So usually when we place structure columns, we have some grids there. So let's go to grid. Let's just place maybe some. Okay, so and then maybe because we're going to use individual maybe something like this, and then we can just copy some maybe 3 meter. Okay, and then just copy. Oops, not too many. So yeah, so maybe come down a little bit. So now we can go oh, hang on, where's my cursor? Can you see my cursor? Oh, okay, so sorry about that. Column, and then we can use add grids, select all these looks like we have some issue here. Only part of them is showing. Hang on, let me try again. So column height. Oh, this is, hang on. So let's go to an elevation, because currently there's only two level, and then we probably need to add some more. Okay, so let's play from ground floor to level 5. So go to ground floor again, column, so change this height to level 5, and then we can place on grid, select, still the same. So it looks like that's fine. We can always just finish this and then copy or paste. So yeah, so they are there. Okay, so ground floor again, and maybe it looks like they are too thick. We change it to 200. I think that will be better. Yeah, so just need to that's fine, just let's just copy, right? So it won't take long. Yeah, I'll just copy these down here, and also you can space to rotate them. So just press space. Wrong direction, sorry. Space. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, so this is it. And then of course you can if you need a material, so select this, you can create a material parameter, so you can change it in the project. If you need to change size, or you can create different size. So for example, this one currently, so this is a size, and you can duplicate, create a new one, so you can have different size, different angles, 300, 600 for example, right? So and then 150 for example, you have a smaller one, right? So and then you can always select or change them to the new one. So yeah, I think this will be better, easier than model in place. So for example, if we add another level, so you might change your mind, add another level in your to your building, so we can just change the level to our level 6. So that's it. You might think, that's too skinny for level 6. We need to increase the size, just change it back to the previous one. Yeah, maybe to change the angle. I think you can you want to increase the angle, you just go edit type, change this. Okay, so so this is it. Very simple 2 level hang on, let me just check what's it called. Hang on, what's not here? Not here as well. So if I create a new new family, 2 level based, I think it's 2 level based. Yes, 2 level based, just like a structural column family, but of course it's different. Okay, so do you think I should upload this family? Maybe I will. Yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. I will see you next time. Thank you.